storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah. No, I don't wanna waste what's. Hi guys, it's Shaniiee Renee and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna do somewhat of a morning routine video. So this child of mine woke up 2:30. He had a bottle, then he went back to sleep. He woke up at 6:30, had a bottle, changed his diaper, and he watched Sesame Street till about, I want to say 8:45, and then he took a little nap. It's now 9:30, and I'm gonna just show you guys basically what I do every day with him before I go to work. Femi! Yeah. Oh. You stinky man. You stinky man. So yes, I'm basically going to show you guys everything that I do in the morning. I've had my coffee. I fast in the morning, if you didn't know. I fast up until 12 p.m. Last night I made dinner, so I'm most likely going to be taking a little bit of that for my lunch. I'll show you guys that later on. But right now, I'm going to change his diaper, put him to play in the living room while I clean his bottles and prepare everything, because he goes to work with me. Right? Okay, so I'm about to do that right now. I just gotta find out where to prop my damn camera so you guys could see. Hopefully my camera stays up. Jackson looking at me like I'm crazy. Right, Jackson? See the horizon, turn us to thousands, and we'll grow in number, fueled by them. To see the horizon, turn us to thousands, and on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays, and on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways. He has one of our pillows underneath his Sesame Street pillow. Y'all see him? He just chilling. So I'm gonna put this pillow in the middle, since he looking too comfortable for me to move him. There we go. Lazy bed. Finished. See? You ready, fat man? Ready to change that diaper? Ready? Let's go. Let's go. Upland. I love you. I love you. Go play. Go play.
also wash, I keep his, there's like a fruit fly in here flying around. If you'll see it in front of the camera. For some reason, every time we put out fruits, we get like tons of fruit flies in here. So I like to put his, let me shut this off. I like to put his water in a thermos because when we're outside, I like for him to have, you know, warm milk. I just feel like that's preferably better for a baby. Nice warm milk. So that's what I'm doing right now. I'm just washing his thermos out. And I bought this thermos. This used to be mine. This was my water bottle for the summertime, but I gave it to my baby because he need his warm milk. That's the cover for it. And I already put some water to boil because I boil it to sterilize it before I put it in here. There. So he has a full thermos of warm water to last him. This lasts him for the day because when I'm at home, I usually just reboil water, which I'm gonna put some to boil for him at home. This is for him outside. The thermos is for when he's outside. Excuse me, I'm still recovering. But yeah, this is all ready. And this mum is just, let me put it so y'all can see my face. This mum is just the vegetable kind. So I always like to take him some lunch because when he sees me, I don't have my lunch until I get to work, which is about 2:30 to like 2:30, 2:45. So when I sit down to eat my lunch, he usually starts so I give him this while I'm eating. And his dispenser is all full.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us.
And that's his little outfit that he is going to wear today. Let me throw away my cup. Yeah, so I'm pretty much done preparing all his things. When it's time to go, he has a story time at, let me fix this damn camera. He has a story time at, hold on, my hand is shaking. He has a story time at 1:30 at our library here in Park Slope. And boo, what you looking at? Well, yeah, story time at 1:30 at the library. Hopefully Jason's grandma gets back before then, and then we'll probably leave around, I don't want to say 12 because that'll be a little too early. The story time is at 1:30, so maybe like 12:45 we'll leave. But yeah, so around 12 I'll start getting him dressed, start getting myself showered and stuff like that to leave. But basically now I'm gonna sit here and either edit or promote a video that I just released yesterday. So yeah, I will pick back up the camera when it's time for us to both get ready.